What is up, guys? I know you can't see my face, but the reason why you can barely hear me is because I suck at videos. Now, for the reason why you can't hear me is because I have a sore throat, so you can just barely hear me. Because I have a hard time talking. This is really hurting me, making this YouTube video. But I'm going to be unboxing this MacBook Pro. It's a 16-inch MacBook Pro. I think it doesn't have touch... No, I think this one does have touch bar. This is not my MacBook. This is my dad's. But I just wanted to do an unboxing. So, no, I'm not some spoiled kid. This is my dad's laptop. My laptop's an old MacBook. But because there's an easy open tab. I don't know what they're actually called, but that's what I'm going to call it. You can't see it on the camera, but you can see you can just peel away at the plastic coating. And then just stop. Okay, that didn't work. That did not work at all. Okay, there we go. And then you can just peel away. Okay, that's just the sticker. And now we have the thing. So you can see here's the box. It's just a MacBook Pro box. There's nothing you can really see from the box. Hilarious enough, no, never mind. I thought that said low battery right there. And as you can see, as I open it, the box is pretty darn heavy. So it actually can open without flying into the air. So this is the inside. Oh, it smells like brand new Apple box. And as you can see the device. It's in its little plastic wrapping. I don't know how to take this out. Come on, do you just... Okay, yeah. I'll set that aside because I don't want to damage it because it's not mine. You can see you have I think these used to be called fingertips. Now they're not. I don't know if they're still called fingertips on phones. I don't think they are. But yeah, designed by Apple in California. And then when you open it, you get... I already know you get Apple stickers. And then you get... What is this? Okay, that's nothing, actually. You get just a whole bunch of things about it. Touch bar. Just many things about it. And then, of course, these beautiful, beautiful Apple stickers. Now, we'll be stealing these. Okay, probably I will be, but I'll put those aside. Hold on, did I put these in the right direction? Yes, I believe I did. Hold on. This goes like this, and then this. Okay, yeah, I think that's how it goes. No idea. Don't really care because I don't think my dad really cares because he knows what a MacBook is. You have your charging cable with the USB-C connectors, which are pretty cool, actually. And then you have your charger brick, which is wrapped in a nice little, really good feeling plastic layer. I'll peel this off because it feels amazing. Okay, maybe not. It's more like paper because it rips like paper. Okay, that wasn't exactly the most smooth rip. This is actually a very heavy charger brick. 96 watts. Holy crap. My iPad charger is only like, what, 12? Yeah, that's pretty darn insane. And then you have nothing else other than that beautiful brand new Apple box smell. I remember when I got my phone. That smelled really amazing. Yeah, Apple boxes just smell good. Now, you can see the device itself is wrapped in a plastic wrap. I will take this off, but that's about it. Because all that noise. Oh, that's beautiful. As you can see, it's just coming straight off like that. And this is it, and I'm not going to be messing with that. And I just farted. I hope you didn't hear. This is the plastic wrapping. Now, I'm probably going to do something with this. I don't know. Next, probably I'm just going to throw it. And this is more plastic wrapping. And where's the other plastic? Okay, this is more plastic wrapping. And there's nothing else in the Apple box. Unless there's something hidden under here. That would be, like, really cool if there was, like, iPhone, 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 iPhone. Just tons of iPhones hidden under here that nobody knew about. I remember I did some fake phone scam videos. Those were really fun. I think I'm going to do some more just saying they're fake. Because those are really, really fun. Some of them are funny. Like, the iPhone 4S scam video is hilarious. I was like... So I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone. Oh my goodness. I remember I did that video. And before I did that video, like 2 or 3 years ago, I think I had that same fake phone. Because that fake phone me and my mom made a long time ago. And I remember I did the video and it was an iPhone 4 unboxing. So I opened the box and I remember kicking the phone down the stairs. That was hilarious. But that wasn't in my new YouTube channel. It's my old YouTube channel that sadly was deleted. Because of a stupid email mistake that I was talking about in many of my videos. Now the sticky, oh my god, the adhesive just, what happened to it? It doesn't stick twice. Or maybe, no, maybe it does. Okay, never mind. I think it does stick. Yeah, it can stick twice. It's not a one-time adhesive, as you can see. So that's about it for the video. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep charging your MacBooks with 96 watts.